Second quarter. 27:34. Lamang ang subol.
Jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 17, Domingo. Steal. Fabro. Pass to Valdez. Pass to Acosta. 2 points. 29-34. Jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 4. Pull up. Negid. Sabambay yung Canalba. Steal. Jersey number 4.
Lead.
Pull up. 2 points. Jersey number. Negid. Sabambay Valdez. Pass to Acosta. Pull up jumper. 2 points.
Shooter yan ah.
31-36.
5 ang kalamangan ng subol.
Last 9 minutes.
36.
Jersey number 24. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 4. 2 points. Jersey number 17. Looking for his teammates. 12 seconds to shoot. Acosta, Negid. Lumabay to Ralba, Negid. Jersey number 26. 2 points. Official score 31-40. 9 ang kalamangan ng Subol. 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Acosta, pull up jumper, Negid. Pass to jersey number 4, Negid. Tip in, wala pa rin. Same ball. 16 seconds to shoot. Pass to jersey number 26. Black. Pass break. Valdez with the ball. Layup. 2 points. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Domingo. Kena with the ball. Steal. Valdez. Valdez, dumidiretso. Pass to Fabro. Jersey number 1, Acosta. Pull up jumper. Negid. Jersey number 21, dribbling the ball. Pass to Aquino. 14 seconds to shoot. Reverse the points. 7 minutes. Pass to Valdez. Valdez with the ball. Pass to Acosta. Pull up. Wala pa rin. Toralba, 2 points. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Kino, binababa ang bala. Kino, pass to jersey number 24. Jersey number 4. 15 seconds to shoot. Para sa 3, Negid. Toralba. Pass to Valdez. Valdez. Layup. 2 points.
Palaban din sila.
Domingo with the ball. Pass to jersey number 26. Malig pass, 2 points. Last 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Fabro dribbling the ball, 18 to shoot. Fabro. 14 seconds to shoot. Negid. Last 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Domingo. Layup, 2 points. 46-37. Jersey number 17. Pass to Pablo. Para sa 3. 3 points. Jersey number 24. Dribbling the ball. Dumidiretso. Pass to Aquino. Jersey number 26, 2 points. Timeout. Karasukan. Official score 40-48 in favor of Subong. 5 minutes and 14 seconds.
Pababa.
Pablo with the ball. Pass to Valdez. 15 seconds to shoot. Valdez dribbling the ball. Last 5 minutes. Pass to Toralba. Here's number 1. Acosta. Fires a 3. 3 points. We shall score 43-48. Domingo. May foul. Basket. Foul in jersey number 15. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus shot. Nagid. Okay. Nagid. Domingo, 2 points. 52-43. Last 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Fabro with the ball. 18 seconds to shoot. There's number 17, my foul. Foul in jersey number 4. Sabre. Throw in. First personal foul, first team foul. First throw basket. Last throw, Sabre. Okay, now 26 Nagid. First to number 26 pa rin. Pass to Aquino, 14 to shoot, 2 points. Last 4 minutes. Valdez with the ball. Valdez, steal. Pass to Aquino. Nagid. Kalaban, 2 points. 56-45. Last 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Fabro with the ball. Fabro dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 2. Pull up. Nagid. Ito pa rin. 2 points. Eighteen to shoot. Stay. 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Jersey number 2. Dumi derecho. Steal. Jersey number 4. Dumi derecho. Steal then. Valdez. Layup. Nagid. Ibang by Fabro. 15 to shoot. Pass to Valdez. Pull up pa rin. Jersey number 26. Pass to Domingo. 18 to shoot. Jersey number 24. Wala pa rin. Last 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Steal. Pass to Domingo. Okay. 15 seconds to shoot. Wala pa rin. Pass break. Pass to Acosta. Acosta, Nagid. Put back to points. Last 2 minutes. Jersey number 24, dribbling the ball. 26. 10 seconds to shoot. Domingo, 2 points. 58-49. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Costa pull up, Nagid. Habang by Domingo. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Domingo. Binababa ang bola. Cross the court. Out of bounds. Same ball. Sabrep. Magid. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Valdez. Layup. 2 points. 51-58. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Hold on. Starting na again. Pass break again. Last 1 minute. 2 points. Last 55 seconds.
5 na lang ang kalamangan ng Subol. 53-58.
Domingo dribbling the ball. Pass to Pakudan. Pull-up jumper. Negate. The jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 1. Acosta. Costa. Pass to Valdez again. 2 points. Last 33 seconds.
Na lang ang kalamangan ng Subol. 55-58.
18 seconds to shoot. Pakudan. Okay, no. 2 points. 20 seconds. Last 18. Ten seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Last 2 seconds. Official score 55-60. 5 ang kalamangan ng Subol.
55-60. End of second quarter.